In this video, I'm going to show you how to open up a Terabox video link without using the application. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. All right, so what we can do is open up a web browser and go to Google. Then from here in the Google search box, type in Terabox link and then hit search. And then in the Google search results, we scroll down and there is a few different ways we can do this. So we can look at the Terabox downloader. So we can click into that. And now you've got the Terabox link. What we can do is if we scroll down, enter the Terabox link here and click download. And what that is going to do, it's going to download it to your device and you can watch it directly on your mobile. Another way to do this is on your web browser, click on the three dots, and then we want to make this desktop type site. And now I'm just going to go back home. And now from here, let's have a look. We're still on the desktop site. Nope. All right, I'm going to change that. And now from here, paste in the Terabox link at the top, and then that will go to that link, and then you'll be able to play that link directly on your browser.